Hello, my name is Yolanda Nava, and I'm going to show you today how to make a zucchini skillet. It's one of our family's favorite ways of eating zucchini, and I just love zucchini because it has so many different ways of cooking it. But let's get to it. So my zucchini skillet has ground hamburger and garlic and zucchini, salt and pepper, and then basil. And this basil came from our garden last year, so I'm excited to use it. So I've already got the hamburger browned, and then we're just going to chop up our zucchini and then chop up our garlic. So I like to have the zucchini in little wedges, like half wedges. You can cut them into full wedges if you'd like. I cut off the ends first and then go down the middle. And then just about a 1/4 inch rough chop. They always look so pretty. I can tell our hamburger is done by the smell. It smells fantastic. And you can add more zucchini if you want, or less zucchini, but I've got a pound of hamburger and about 3 small zucchinis. So zucchini is not going to take very long at all to cook. Okay, we'll put that over there. So I just put that all in. We use our handy dandy spatula. Get back in use. And then while we're waiting for that to start cooking, we actually do our garlic. Some people don't know how to do garlic. This is already peeled. I'm going to take off the end and put that aside. And then you want to smash it so it doesn't go anywhere on you. You just take your flat end and you put them in a pile and you chop. Remember to keep your fingers curled in so you don't cut anything. And then both hands on both sides and chop. And then in that goes as well. Now I have some more that I already cut up because I like it garlicky. And I'm going to add a lot of basil because I like the garlic and basil. If you have fresh, it's delicious fresh. And then all you got to do is put the lid on and let it steam until you have your zucchini just done. It doesn't take very long. It's going to take maybe 2 minutes. And then we just serve it over some white rice, and it's fantastic. Oh, and salt and pepper to your taste. And that's how you make a zucchini skillet.